Stop using ordinary buy-sell indicators. This secret indicator will give you a 70% win rate, and the best part is you only trade 3 times a day. If you're excited to see this strategy, then please hit that like button and let's get straight into the video. Thank you for clicking. My name is Trades by Mo and welcome to a brand new video. And I am very excited to share this very easy beginner-friendly strategy with you that only uses 2 indicators, one of which is a buy-sell indicator. But in this video, I'm going to reveal these secret indicators to you, show you the best settings on how to get them perfect trades, show you how to take buys and sells, and then finally the results. So click on indicators at the top left. Now the first indicator that we're going to add is the ATR Stop Loss indicator by Edgar. I've used this a few times on the channel and it is the perfect way to master them stop loss levels and ultimately to get them perfect take profits. Add this once to your chart and it should look like this. Go ahead and double click on the indicator and then we're going to change the colors so it fades more into the background, as we want to be focusing on this secret indicator that I'm about to reveal in a minute, and that definitely is the star of the show. And now let's move on to the next indicator. Click on indicators again and type in Flux Charts, and we will be adding the Flux Charts SFX Algo by, you guessed it, Flux Charts. Click this once and then we're going to change some of the settings. For the style section, I have removed the bar colors. And then on the inputs, I have changed the sensitivity for the algorithm to 25. I've then turned off the display labels and display table, turned off volatility bands, and finally turned off TP1, TP2 and TP3. Now that we've got all the settings out the way for this easy to use strategy, we can now get into taking these buys and sells and talk you through the conditions that we need for taking these trades. So naturally for this strategy, depending on the pair that you are trading, will determine the session that we focus on. If you're trading this on forex, then you'll want to use the currency as a guide on which session you need to trade. I will be on the 1 minute time frame, and as I'm trading the Nasdaq, I will be trading the US session. Step 2 for this strategy is when the market opens, we will only be taking the first 3 trades of the session. So let's get into it and let me show you what I mean. Okay, so this blue line here represents the US session start, and as we can see before that, the price is very choppy on the market, and we definitely wouldn't want to be taking any of those buys and sells. But now that the market has started, we can focus on getting our first buy or sell trade. It's always good measure to check which way the market is trending to get an overall bias for direction, but for back testing this, I will only be focusing on taking the first 3 trades. So here is the first sell for the session, and the label actually shows a 3-star rating for this sell, which essentially means that it is the best probability of hitting our take profit. So we'll now enter our trade on the close of this candle. So make sure you enter on the close of the sell label, and then we'll be putting our stop loss at the default settings line for the ATR stop loss. From there, we'll be targeting a 1.5 risk to reward, and let's see what the first US session trade plays out. And there we go, we can see the first trade has now hit, so we can now wait for this indicator to give us our next label. And just a few candles after the sell label, we have our first buy for the backtesting strategy. So again, we enter on the close of the candle, making sure that we set our stop loss at the ATR line and targeting that 1.5 risk to reward. If a 1.5 risk to reward ratio is too low for you, then maybe try a 2 or 2.5 risk to reward. But personally, I have had the best results with this testing, and the lower the risk to reward, usually the higher the win rate. It's entirely up to you and where your psychology stands with the market. But let's see if this trade hits take profit. And there we go, our second trade for the day and our first buy has hit our take profit of 1.5, giving us a total for the day so far 3% on the account. Now to close off the day, we will take our third and final trade, so let's find that label. So we can see the first trade is right here for the sell, the second trade is here for the buy, and then after this huge climb of buying momentum, the market has lost momentum and left us a double top formation, finally giving us our sell label for the SFX Algo indicator. So let's enter on the close of this candle with the stop loss at the ATR. and see if it hits our 1.5 risk to reward ratio. And there we go, our final trade for the day has hit our 1.5 risk to reward, giving us a final profit of 4.5% for the day traded. And here we have the second day for trading, so now we can look for our first 3 trades, so I'm going to draw them out very quickly. And this was day 2 for the strategy. You can see we had 1 win and 2 losses. Both of the losses were 1% and the gain was 1.5%, leaving us 0.5% down for the day. But the good thing about this is we only have to focus on them first 3 trades and then we can close the charts off regardless of the outcome, and you can carry on with the rest of your day. But I am now going to show the results for this 70% win rate strategy over the course of 100 trades, so please hit that like button and subscribe if you've enjoyed. And as always, remember to check out the course down in the description, but let's get straight into the results. And here are the results for the Flux Charts SFX Algo strategy. We had a win rate of an amazing 71%, giving us 115% profit on the account. And we had 71 wins and only 29 losses with a profit factor of 3.67. The best part about this is we had 6 consecutive wins over only 3 consecutive losses, which will do absolutely wonders for your psychology when trading. But we took the account from $1,000 all the way up to $2,150. So if you've enjoyed this strategy and you've enjoyed these indicators, then please click the first link down below and check out Flux Charts so you can start using this SFX algo for yourself. This isn't the only indicator that they offer, but it definitely is one of my favorites, and I do highly recommend joining their membership just so you can check this out for yourself. It's super affordable and I promise you that it's worth it just for the amazing community alone. But if you click the link down below right now and use the code MO, you will get 20% off at checkout. So if you want to see a 71% win rate when trading, then this is the indicator that you need to start using today. So thank you very much to Flux Charts for sponsoring the video. Please go and check them out. And as always, thank you very much for watching today's video. We're uploading 3 times a week now, so I will see every single one of you in the next video.